I am now going to do something that I have never done before, but I only will take one trade because I have limited time. Is to take one trade with 5-second close with Alpha 1 bot. It's a free binary option robot that trade on expert option that you also can have completely for free. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Also there are promo code that give you 150% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So now let's start the bot and let's see how he do. He's now looking for the first trade. If you lose, he will use martingale to get out of the trade. So he's in with a buy trade. Let's see if that can turn good. And there we have it. We have one trade, one win. It did go good. I don't let the bot run too much now because I need to go out. But it's also a Saturday morning and the market is crazy. I would never run a 5-second close with a so crazy market. But in this case it did go good, and you can see in few seconds we made $180. So once again, if you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want this bot, it works on desktop and on cell phone and it's completely for free. Link about video tags and link below the video at YouTube. With that, have an amazing day.